Hello everyone, it's me, Hubert, and today I'm going to be finding I to the I-th power. So, in the LNI video, I said that I was going to do I to the I-th power. So, here I am. So, I to the I can also be written as e to the I times ln I. And I can solve for ln I, and this is gonna be my answer. So what's ln I? Ln of I is, I'm gonna set this to be u. Actually, I'm gonna set this to be I times u, because I know it's probably gonna be an imaginary number, but it'll work out. So I'm gonna take e to the both sides, and then I get these and that cancel, and I have e to the iu equals I. And now e to the iu can be written as cosine u plus I sine u. And then, what u should I put to give the result of I? So, if we plug in 0, then cosine 0 plus I sine 0 will give me, this will be 1, and this will be 0, so that's 1. If I do cosine of pi plus I sine of pi, this will be -1, and this will be 0. So that's no good. We have -1. If we have cosine of pi on 2 plus I sine of pi on 2, what will we get? Cosine of pi on 2 is 0, and sine of pi on 2 is 1, so that gives I times 1, which is I. And this is what we want here. So that I can plug in u is equal to pi on 2 to get e to the I pi on 2 equals I. Then now I can take the ln on both sides to get that ln of I is equal to I times pi on 2. But this pi on 2 can be any multiples of pi on 2. It can be, say, 3 pi on 2, 5 pi on 2, etc. So this is my ln I, and finally I can plug this pi on 2, this I pi on 2 into this ln I to get e to the I times I pi on 2. And now the best part is I times I becomes -1, so this is our answer of e to the negative, and then we have this pi on 2, so that's e to the negative pi on 2, and we are done. That's our answer. So this is pretty cool. I to the I is imaginary part here. Now this is the real part. I'm going to do another question of I to the 1 over I, aka I-th root of I. So this can be written as e to the 1 over I ln I, and now I can use this information to plug into this ln I to get e to the I pi on 2 over I. Now, I and I cancel, so we are left with e to the pi on 2. And this is our answer. So I'm going to write as a conclusion as I to the I equals e to the negative pi on 2, and I to the 1 over I is equal to, let me cross this out, e to the pi on 2. Very cool, huh? And this is it.